Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import your own color grading presets into CapCut PC. So if you want to do some color grading on CapCut but you want to add your own color gradings, here how you can import it. First, you can add the clips that you want to edit, and here go to adjustment, and then here click on the LUT tab on the left scene here, and there will be the option to import. So the preset or the color gradings, the LUT files that you need to import is must be on the cube or 3DL files format. So just click on import and then find the file. For example, in here, okay, I'm going to add this, okay, Milo preset. So just click on open, so it will be open just like this. And if you want to add it to your clip, just click on the plus icon, then adjust the durations to match with the clip, just like so. You can save it as preset if you want to, and here you can also adjust the intensity of the color grading. So let's click on save as preset. For example, I'm going to just preset name Milo, click on OK, like that. Sorry, okay, so I'm going to just skip this, and that's it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.